and welcome back. The next thing I will do with these baked or roast eggshells, because remember I stepped on them, I crushed them with my high heels, but it was still has big chunks. So what I'm doing is I'm using this coffee grinder and just grind it into little. Oh my god, how silly I am. I forgot to put this jar at the bottom because I used that one to transfer some of the biggest pieces from the oven. Oh, how silly. I made all type of mistakes. How about you? That's me. Typical. Okay. And now what I need to do is do the cleanup. I will just put them aside first. I'll do the cleanup all together. Okay, back in. And put the lid on. I don't have to put the lid on, to tell the truth. The lid is hard for me to stir around. Okay, let's keep doing. Sometimes I have to use chopsticks or something like that to push them down, so it will go faster. Otherwise, some of the big pieces will stuck at the bottom and then it stops working. And look at the smoke. It's not from the machine, it's because of the eggshell grounds. On this Sunday, I will have a day at the market, and I want to give people some good soil, and that's why I'm preparing them now. What type of succulent soil do you use? What's your secret ingredients? Okay, I will call it. That's all. Thank you, coffee machine. See, I already have like 4-5 jars of this eggshell grounds, not egg grounds. Sorry. Sometimes, you know, when you speak another language which is not your mother tongue, even if it's your mother tongue, sometimes you get like confused. Okay, let's move the coffee machine backward. This coffee machine, a friend of mine gave it to me. And, you know, I don't really drink coffee. And we have another one. So I say, okay, I can use it at least for something, on something. Okay, I will clean up this section. That's really one of the important secret ingredients for my succulent soil. They are healthy and they are full of nutrition. And they were baked by the sun, they were roasted by the oven, and grounded, crusted by my high heels, and grounded by the coffee machine. Whoa, that's a lot. Okay. Nobody knows who would do things like that. And now I will add some coffee grounds. Not much. I would say in my soil mix, I have like 50% professional growing soil. That's a brand of the soil. It's not like mine is professional. Type 4, yes. That's a brand. And then I add like 40% of the pellets and 9% of the eggshells, only 1% of the coffee grounds. The coffee grounds, because succulents grow in the soil, kind of like acidic. That's why I add a bit of coffee grounds. I will let them sit, and tomorrow when I mix the soil, I will take more videos and show you Thank you for watching and bye for now. Bye bye. Love you.